Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for percentages. So number one, we just express the following as percentages. Remember, percentages is mean over 100. Round your answer to one decimal place. Okay, we got 1/6. We need to make it over 100. So we need to know 6 multiplied what number to make it 100. And here we need to do the same thing. So we can check it by 100 divided by 60 by 6, which the answer is 16.7. So 1 also we need to multiply by 16.7. So this is 16.7. As percentage mean over 100, so this is 16.7%. Next we got 8. So we need to make it again over 100. So 8 multiplied with what number to make it 100? We can check it by 100 divided by 8. So this is 12.5. So 5 also we need to multiply by 12.5. So 12.5 multiplied by 5 is 62.5. As we got over 100, so this means 62.5%. Next question, we make it over 100. So let's make it like 100. We divide by 312. So round it to one decimal place, just multiply by 0.3. So here also we multiply by 0.3. So 0.3 we multiply it by 93 will give us the answer of 27.9. So this is 27.9%. Next. 0.3, that is mean 3 over 10. So let's make it over 100. So multiplied by 10, here also multiplied by 10. So this is 30. So this is 30%. Next, 0.04. So that is mean 4 over 100. So this is already 100 over 100. So this is 4%. Next, this. Okay, so 47 over 100 is already, so we just write it 47%. Next, sorry, miss. Okay, here next. 1 point, where is it? Okay. 1.12, so that is mean 112 over 100. So it's already over 100, so this is 112%. Next, this is 207 over 100, which is 207%. This is 125 over 100, so this is 125%. Z. So this is 25 over 10, so let us make it over 100. So this multiplied by 10, so 250. So this is 250%. Next, this is 175 over 10. So we make it over 100, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, so 1,750. So this is 1,750%. Last, this is, okay, let's make it over 100, only 1, 2. So 103.8 over 100. So we got 103.8%. There it is. Express the following percentage as a common fraction in their simplest form. 12.5 over 100. So this means 12.5 divided by 100. So both of them, let us simplify it. Divide by 12.5. So this is 1. 100 divided by 12.5 is 8. So this is 1 over 8. Next, 50%. This means 50 over 100. So simplifies, both of them we divide by 50. So the answer is going to be 1 over 2. Next, 98 over 100. So if 98 over 100, so we can divide it by 2, both of them. So it's gonna be 49 over 50. Next, 60%. So 60 over 100. So we can divide it by 20. Both of them divide by 20. So we'll give us the answer. Oh, this is gonna be 5 and 3. Next, 22%. So 22 over 100. So we divide by 2. Both of them. So we'll give us the answer of 11 over 50. Number 2. Next, number 3. A survey of 420 students found that 224 use their phones to access internet, 158 use a tablet, and the rest use neither of those devices. So what percentage? Look at that. Use their phone. Phone is mean 224 over 420. We multiply it by 100. So this is, we divide by 10. We got it. So we can we simplify this to any 224 divided by 4. Okay, here we divide by 4. Here no, we cannot divide by 4. So if okay, let's make it divide by 42. Can we divide by So let's divide it by 2. This is divided by 42. So we got 224 over 42 times 10. So 42. So 42, we can simplify it. So this is gonna be 6 times 7. Let's check it. 224 5 by 2 by 7. Okay, this is 32 times 7 and then times with 10. Okay, we can simplify it. 7 and 7 cancel it. It's gonna be 1. So 32 we divide by 2 is gonna be 16. So it's 16 times 10 over this is gonna be 3. Okay, this is we just multiply it. So this answer is gonna be 53.33%. This is for A. Now B. So 158 divided by 420. We multiply by 100. So this will give us the answer of 158 times 10. So we cancel it. So this is 42. So we can simplify by 6 times 7. So this is times 10. How about 158? Can we make it 158 divided by 7? No. So 158 divided by 6. No, we cannot make it. So if we cannot make it, let's divide it just by 2. 158 we divide by 2. So 2 times 79. So here's gonna be 1 and 3. So we got 790 divided by 21. So this answer will be 37.62%. The rest, so let's make it 224 plus 158 plus x. This is the rest. Not using tablet or phone. This has to be 420. So 224 plus 158. So this is 382 plus x equal to 420. So x equal to 420 minus by 382. So this is going to be 38. So for C, did not use tablet or phone. So 38 over 420 times 100. So this we can simplify. So 38 times 10 over 42. So 38. Can 38 by 6? No. 38 by 7? No. So it's gonna be 300. Okay, we can simplify it by 2. So 38 and 42, both of them we divided by 2. So this is 19 times 10, and then 42 divided by 2 is 21. So the answer is 9.05%. Okay, there it is. Calculate 30% of 200 kilogram. So this is 30 over 100 times 200. So here we can simplify it, divide by 100. So we got 30 times 2, which will get the answer of 60 kilogram. Next, so we got 40 over 100 times 60. So this divided by 10, divided by 10. So we got only 4 times 6, which gives us the answer of $24. Next, 25 over 100 times 60 liter. So we divided by 100, simplify. So the last is 25 times 6, which gives us the answer of 150 liters. Okay, we got it now. 22 over 100 times 25 at 250. So what can we do from here? Okay, by 100. So here by 22 times 25 divided by 10, or let's make it by 2 times 5. So 22 divided by 2 is 11, times 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the answer is going to be 55 milliliter. Next we got 50. Okay, sorry, it's lost. Where is? Okay, 50%. 50 over 100 times 128. 50 over 100 means 1 over 2 times 128. So 128 we can divide it by 2, which gives us the answer of $64. Next, 65%. So it means 65 over 100. We multiply by 30, so divide by 10. Okay, and this is 65 times 3 over 10. So 65 divided by 5 is going to be 10, 13 times 3. Here also divided by 5. Divided by 5, it's going to be 13. And 2 over 2. So we got 39 divided by 2. So this will give us the answer of $19.5. Next we got 15%. So 15 over 100 times 120. So divide by 10. So we got 15. So 15 is mean 5 times 3. This is 5 times 2. And then 12 is 2 times 6. Okay, 5 and 5 is, we can cancel it. 2 and 2 we can cancel it. So the rest is only 3 times 8, which 3 times 6, which is 18 kilometer. Okay, next question, we got 180%. So 180% times 60. So we can divide by 10, 10, 10. So the rest is only 18 times 6. So 18 times 6 will give us the answer of 108. Next question, we got 0.5 over 100. And then we multiply it by 40. This we divide by 10. So 0.5 times 4. So this is 4. So it's going to be 20 over 10. So this is 0.2 gram. Next question, 2.6 percentage. So 2.6 over 100 times 80. So this we divide by 2. Okay, and then next is 2.6 times 8. We can divide by 2 with here. Divide by 2 is gonna be 4 and 5. So 4 times 5. Divided by 5. So the answer for Z is 2.08. Next, we got 9.5 over 100 times 5,000. So this here, so 0, 0. So it's gonna be 95 times 5. So 95 times 5 is 475 meter cube. Next we got 220 over 100 times 45. So this we can divide by 10 and then divide by, so this is 2 times 11. And here 2 times 5, and 45 is mean 5 times 9. So 2 and 2, 5 and 5. So the rest is only 11 times 9, which the final answer is gonna be 99 kilometer. Okay, calculate the percentage increase and copy the table. Round your answer to one decimal place. So 40 to 48. So first we got 40 to 48, which is increase by 8. So let's find it. 8 over 40 times 100. So this we can simplify it first. Both of them we divided by 8. So it will give us the answer 1 over 5. Is it 1 over 5? Yes, 1 over 5 times 100. So 100 we divided by 5, which gives us the answer of 20. So this is increase by 20 percentage. Look at 40 to 360. So this is decrease. So the difference is, okay, we can write it here, around here. 400 over original amount is 4,000 times 100. So this we simplify it, and we simplify it. It's gonna be 1. So this is decrease 10%. Next, 1.5 to 2.5. This is increase. You can see it. So let's find the difference between 2.3 and 1.5. The difference is 0.8. So we divide by original amount is 1.5 times 100. So this is 8 over 15 times 100. So we can make it like divide by 5. So it's gonna be 8 over 20, because we divide by 5. It's gonna be 20. Is divided by 5 is 3. Okay, so this is gonna be 53.3%. So this is increased by 53.3%. Okay, next question, 12,000 to 12,400. So this is increase. So the difference is 400. So 400. We divide by original amount is 12,000 times 100. So we can simplify it. Simplify, divide by 100, divide by 10. So it's gonna be 4 times 10 over 12. So 4 and both of them we divide by 3 is 1. So this is gonna be 3. So 10 we divided by 3. So 10 divided by 3 is gonna be 3.3%. Next, from 12,000 to 8,000. So absolutely this is decrease. So we should find it. This is the original is 12,000. So the difference between 12,000 and 8,600 is 3,400. And then we multiply by 100. So this is, we divide again. So it's gonna be 34 times 10 over 12. So 34 we can divide it by 2. It's gonna be 17 times 10 over 12. Also we divide by 2 is 6. So 170 divided by 6. It's gonna be around 28, not around, 28.3%. So this is 28.3%. Look at there, 9 to 12, this is increase. So the original, let's write it here, 9.6. So let's find it out, the difference. So 12.8 and 9.6, the difference is 3.2. Both of them we multiplied by 10. It's gonna be 32 over 96 times 100. So 32, if we divide by 2 is 16. So 96 divided by... Okay, let's divide by 16, both of them. So it's gonna be 2 over 6 times 100. Okay, we can still simplify it by 2. So it's 1 over 3 times 100. So this is for F is 33.3%. Okay, 90. Look at here, 90 to 2000. This absolutely increase, getting bigger. So we should find the difference between 2400 and 90. So, okay, let's do it here. So the difference is 2310 divided by original is 90. Okay, we can simplify it by 10. So it's gonna be 231 divided by 9 times by 100. So 231, and then let's simplify it by 3. Also simplify it by 3. So it's gonna be 77 over 3 times 100. So 7700 divided by 3. This will give us the answer of 2566.7%. So this is increased by 2566.7%. Okay. Next, increase each amount by the given percentage. So 48 increase it by 14. So this is for A. 48 increases by, so let's find it, 14%. So 48 we times by 14 divided by 100. So it's gonna be 6.72. So 6 point here. So 48 we plus by 6.72. So this will give us the answer of, this is $54.72. Next, 700 increase. So we need to find it for B. 700 times by 35 over 100. Okay, we can simplify it. So rest is only 7 times 35. This is 249. Because this is increase, so 700 plus by 245. So this will give us the answer of 945. Next, still increase. So let's find it. For C, 30 times by 7.6 over 100. So this is gonna be 3 times 76, and we divide by 100. So if 3 times 76 is gonna be 228 divided by 100. So this will give us the answer of 2.28. Since this is increase, so 30 plus 2.28 is gonna be $32.28. Next is still increase for 40,000. So this is for D. Let's write it D here. 40,000 times 0.59 over 100. So simplify it. So it's gonna be 4 times 59. Okay, because this is 100. So we will give it to 0.59. So we'll give us answer of 4 times 59. So this is equal to 236. Since this is increase, so 40,000 plus by 236. So this will give us 4,000. So this is gonna be 4,000 dollar, $236. Still increasing. So let's find it. 9 times 9.5 over 100. So it's gonna be 9 times 95 over 100. So let's find it. 9 times 95. It's gonna be 855, and divided by 100 is 8.55. So this is 90 plus by 8.55 equal to $98.55. Okay, next at 80%, $80 increased by 24.6 over 100. So it's gonna be 8 times 246. We divide by 100. So let's find it. 8 times 246 divided by 100 is gonna be 19.68. So 80 plus by 19.68. So this will give us the answer of, this is still dollar, $98.68. Next, now is decrease. Decrease is minus. So actually, if you would like to another way, so you just need to find it for A. So this is 48 multiplied by, not 14, so it's gonna be 100, because the original is 100, plus by 14, so 114 percentage. Next for here, 35, so 700 times 100% times 35 is 135 percentage. They will both way give you the same answer. Okay, you can use your own way, the easiest. Now is decrease. I think we found it from here, 68. Okay, they are different. Okay, let's find it for, let's make it for A, C, E, different method. So 14. So we can make it like 100, because this is decrease, 100% minus by 40%. So this is gonna be 86%. So for A, we can make it like 68 times by 86% over 100. So 68 times 86 is gonna be 5,848. We divide by 100. So this will give us the answer of 58.48. So this is the answer is $58.48. Next for C, so 100% minus by 7.6%. So we need to find it. 100 minus by 7.6. So this is 92.4%. So for C, let's make it 90 times 92.4 over 100. So this is gonna be 9 times 924 over 100. So 9 times 924 over 100, this will give us the answer of 83.16. So this is $83.16. Now here, so make it 100% minus by 9.5%. So 100 we minus by 9.5%, which will give us the answer of 90.5%. So for E is 85 times 90.5 over 100. So let's make it 90.5 times 80 is gonna be 7,240 divided by 100 is gonna be 72.4. So for E is $72.4. Okay, for B, D, F, let's use it different way. So first, let's find it. This is B. What is 800 800 by 35 over 100? So this we simplify. So we got 8 times 35. It's gonna be 280. So from $800, we minus it by, where is it? Okay, 280. So this will give us the answer of 500. Okay, let me rewrite it. $520. Next, for D, use the second way. So we need to find it. Okay, this is for D. Let's find it. 20,000 times 0.59 over 100. So we simplify it. So it's gonna be 2 times 59. So we got 2 times 59 is 118. So we got 20,000 minus by 100. That's right, 118. So 20,000 minus by 118, which will give us the answer of 19,882. And the last, decrease it, so we need to find it. $60 times 24.6 over 100, which is 6 times 246 over 100. So 6 times 246 and divided by 100 will give us the answer of 14.76. So this is 60, we minus by 14.76. So this will give us the answer of, this is $45.24. Okay, now A. You can see carefully. So 75,250 tickets were available for an international cricket match. 62% the tickets were sold within a day. How many tickets are left? So if 62% sold, so we can make it 100% minus by 62. So 100 minus by 62 is gonna be 38% left. So from the total, this number 8, 75,250, we have to multiply it by 38 over 100. So we simplify it. So 7,525, we multiply by 38. So this is 285,950 divided by 10. So the ticket left is 28595. So 28,595 ticket left. So we can write a ticket. Next, Raja owned 15% of a company. If the company issues 12,000 shares, how many shares should Raja get? So this is 49. So 12,000 times 15 percentage. So here, so we got 120 times 50. So this is gonna be 1,800, the answer. So number 9, Raja will get 1,800 shares. Next, number 10, a building which costs this amount $125,000 increase in value by 3.5%. What is the building worth after the increase? So if the increase, so 100% times 3.5%. So the value gonna be 103.5%. So let's count it. So this is dollar 125,000 times 103.5%. So it's 10. So this is gonna be 125 multiplied by 1035. So this will give us the answer of 129375. So number 10, increase value dollar 129,375. 11. A player score, you can see 18 out of 82 points in the basketball match. What percentage of the point did the player score? So it's gonna be 18 over 82. So we need to make it over 100. Let's simplify it. It's gonna be 9. So this is 41. Okay. So 100 divided by 41. So this times by 2.4. Okay, 2.4. So 9 also we need to multiply by 2.4. So 2.4 times 9. So this is gonna be 21.6. So 11 is 21.6%. Okay, next, a company has a budget of 24,000 of printing brochure. The market department has already spent 34. How much money left? So for this number 11, 12, so 100% minus by 34.6%. So 100 we minus by 34.6%. This is 65.4%. So let's multiply it with 24,000. So 24,000 times 65.4 over 100. So it's gonna be 24 times 654. So this will give us the answer of this is 4. No, it's not 4. The last is gonna be 6, 9, and then 6, 5, and 1. So the money is left in the budget is 15,696. Next, a worker currently earns 6,000 per month. If the worker get increase of 3.8, so this is for 13, 100% first, increase by 3.8, so it's gonna be 103.8%. So got 6,000, so we can write it here, 6,000 times 103.8 over 100. So it's gonna be here 10 times here is gonna be 6 times 1,038. So this will give us the answer of, okay, let's see from the last. So it's gonna be 8226. Okay, so for 13, earning will be 6,228 after increase 3.8. Now is 14. We can see it. A company advertised that its cottage cheese is 99.5% fat-free. If this is correct, how many grams of fat will be in a 500-gram tube? So we can check it. So fat-free, so number 14. So 100% minus by 99.5%. So this is gonna be 0.5%. So we can count 500 times by 0.5 over 100. So we simplify it. So it's gonna be 5 times 0.5 is 2.5. So this is 2.5 gram. Next, we go from here. Lee earns 25% per ship. The boss offered Lee a choice between either 70 more per ship or 20% increase. Which offer will give her the most money? So 15. So let's check it. $7 more per ship or 20. So let's check it. So this is 15. So if this is $7 per $25. Okay, so this is gonna be over 100. Here is gonna be 28. So this is 28% increase. Okay, look at it, 28 and 20%. So for her, will give the most money is $7 more per ship. Now 16. Misha paid $40 for a new computer at a 20% sell off. What was the price of the game? So this is if this is 20%, so this is 80%. So for 80%, which he got $40. So we can check it here, 40. So we cut it into 20. So this is 20%, 20%, and here 20%. So 20% divided by 4. So 20% is mean $10. So what was the original price? Is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is $50. So it's for 16 is $50. Next, in a large school, 240 students are in grade A. This is 20% of the school population. How many students are there in total? Oh, 20%. So we can make it like this again. So 20%, this is 80%. So if 20% is 240, so 80 is mean we multiply it by 4. So if we multiply it by 4, it's going to be 960. So the 80% is 960. If the total, so 240 plus 960 is equal to 1,200. How many students are in the rest of the school is 80%, 960. Next, a waiter has a wage increase of 15%. The new wage is what was? Okay, increase by 15%. So we can make it square again like this. Increase. So this mean is here increase. So this is 15%. So 5%, 5%, 5%. So let's find it, let's find it. So 172.5 times 15 over 100. 172.5 times 15 divided by 100. So this is 25.875. So if we divide it by 3, so each 5% is 8.625, 8.625, 8.625. If 5%, so 5 to 100 is multiplied by 20, isn't it? So let's make it 8.625 multiplied by 20. So this is 172.5. No, not this way. So first we need to find it. So this wrong way. If has increased 15%, so it's gonna be 115. Okay, this is correct. Oh, let's check it before the answer. Okay, so 15%, 25.8, 75. So this is the total increase. Okay, let's rewrite again. So 115% is gonna be 172.50 after the increase. So we don't know before. So this is, let's make it like as x before. So we can find it as, okay, over 100. So this we can make it by this way. Okay, let me erase this rabbit. Okay, as we know, so a number times by 115% or over 100 is equal to 172.5. So if you would like to find what was the number, so 172.5 times 100, and then we divide by 115. So what was the wage before the increase? This will give us the answer of 150. So you can multiply, the answer is gonna be 150. Okay, next 19. Each week Naresh get a screen time report on his phone. This report for the first week of June. Okay, we can see screen time weekly report available. Your screen time was up 20% up, plus 20% this week, for an average of 3 hours and 15 minutes a day. Okay, before. So let us make it into an hour. 3 hours is mean 180 minutes plus by 15 minutes. So this is gonna be 155 minutes. So what was times 12 over 100? Equal to 155 minutes. So it's gonna be 5 times 100 over by 12. So 195 times 100, and then we divide by 12. So this will give us the answer of 1625. This is as a minutes. Let's make it into hour. Divide by 60. Yeah, we should divide by, well, a moment, is it 180 minutes, and addition by is gonna be 150. So the percentage, this is not 12, my bad, sorry. It has to be 112 because this is up from the original 100. So divide by 112. 5 times 100. So we divide by 112. So this will give us the answer around of 174. Okay, 1.74 minutes. So if this is minutes, so let's change it into an hour. 74 by 60 is gonna be 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. 2 times 2 times 60, 2 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, in the second week of June, now screen time increased by 31% and the third increased by 12. What was the... Okay, we got what was his daily average time in the third week? So now screen time increased by 31 and then third it increased by 112. So this is, we can make it what was. Okay, so we can make it, this is was, and 100% plus 31% plus 12%. So it's gonna be 143% or over 100. So this is the hour is 195. So to find what was is 195 times 100. Then we divide it by 1, 4, and 3. Isn't it? In the second week of June. Okay, this is first week. Look at it. What was his daily average time in the third week? Okay, first week of June, and then increase up. Third is 12%. In the second week of June, now the screen time increased by 31%. Let's look at the question first. Here we got 3 hours. 3 hours, and this is screen up this week. So in the second week, increased by 31%, and then third, it increased by 12%. Where's the first week? Okay, the first week, we got it. In the second week, now the screen increased by 31%. So we can make it 195 here minute times 30 is going to be 131 over 100. So 155 times 131, and then divided by 100. This is 255.45. Then increase again by 12, so 225.45 times 112 over 100. So it's going to be 225 times 112. Okay, 225 times 112. In the second week, now the screen time increased by 31%. In the third, it increased by 12%. Okay, this is first week. The week before, so this is the week before, is 2 hours. And the second week increased, and third it increased. What was his daily screen time in the third week? Okay, from 150. We can make it from here. So from the first week is 155 times, this is 143 times 100, isn't it? So 195 times 143, and then we divide it by 100. So look at it, 100% plus by 31%, 131, and then we plus by 12, it's gonna be 143%. So So this will give us the answer of 279 minutes. So let's change it into hour. 279 minutes. So it's gonna be 4. And then 0.65 times 60. 4 hour and 39 minutes. Okay, there it is. Okay, this is last two question. I'm sorry I took long time. So 14 karat gold is 48.9 pure gold. Okay, pure gold is tested and found content of 115.5. What was the mass of the chain? So if this is pure gold, so we can make it 100% minus by 58.3 percentage. So 100 we minus by 58.3. Sorry, 100 we minus by 58.3 is 41.7. So for number 20 is 15.5 we multiplied by 41.7 over 100. So 15.5 646.35 divided by 100. So this, if we make it two decimal place, this will be isn't it 41. Look at it. Tested and found content 50 gram. 15.5 gram of pure gold. Okay. So if 58.3 percentage, so found this equals to 15.5 gram. So what is the total? So total times by 58.3 over 100 equal to 15.5. So this is the total equal to 15.5 times 100. Then we divide by 58.3. So the total gram is 15.5 times 100. And then we divide it by 58.3. So the total is 26.59 gram for 14 carats. Okay, next we got this summer an amusement park increased the entry price by 20% to $15. To summer, the number of people entering park dropped by 80% from the previous summer to what was the price previous summer? So what was times 25 percentage increase? So if this is increase, it's gonna be 125 over 100 times by $15. So what was the price is 15 times 100 divided by 125. So you got 15 times 100 and then divide by 125. So the price before increase was $12. 12, not 25, $12. Next, how many visitors did the park have the previous summer? This is decreased by 8. So the previous times increase by 8. So 100 minus by 8, it's gonna be 92 over 100 times 225, 530. So what was the visitor is 25,530 times 100 and divide by 92. So what was the 25? 530 times 100, and we divide by 92. So this will give us the answer of 27,750. So 27,750 before increase 8%. If amusement park made 30% profit on the entry fees in this summer, okay, this summer, how much was their profits amount in dollar? In summer. Okay, so we should multiply it first. Let's find it, 30%. Here, 30% over 100 of 15. So 15 times 3. 15 times 3 and divided by 10 is $4.5 per person. And how many we got? 25. So 4.5 times 25,530. So this is will give us the answer of the last is 588,411. Okay, this is the amount of dollar, $114,885. Okay, there it is. If you have any question, you can write in the comment.